Hello, this is PokeEmerald and I'm back doing more video. Look what's this, Pokemon Cat. And today, speaking of that, we are opening a Japanese Pokemon booster pack, and we are opening Phantom Force SMY, Mega Gengar. Some of the cards I really don't know what to have inside. So yeah, I really don't know how to spell them or some of them because I really don't learn much in SMY booster pack version. I really don't know. However, so animal kinds of video will be uploaded next week. Stay tuned for that. And today we're gonna open this amazing card. There's 5 cards in there. We have foil. We have EX card, which I can get EX card. That's what I wanted. So yeah, let's do it. Let's open the booster pack. The artwork is amazing. Alright. The pack is not easy to open. Oh, sweet. Long time never opened a booster pack like that. I believe the card trick is 1, 2. That's why I believe the card trick is like that. Oh my goodness, look at the Pokeball. Japanese version. Beautiful. So yeah, I'm gonna see. So first card we have Reptile. Yeah. So next card we have, oh yeah, remember all this card is a real card, not a fake card. It's a real card. So yeah. Finion, if I'm not wrong. Oh my goodness. Litleo, yep, this one I can remember. Litleo. Venomoth, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I guess it's Venomoth. And the last card, is it a holo? A holo or EX magic? And it was a it's a holo rare! Awesome! Look at this card. Awesome. Holo rare. Can't tell the holo rare, but it is a holo rare. Damn, I can't tell it is a holo rare. But it is a holo rare. Oh my goodness. Yes, the holo rare card. Yes. Yes, the holo rare card. Yes. See the hologram? Wyvern. This is what we have today. So yeah, thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more Pokemon card opening next week and animal kinds of video. Thank you for watching and bye bye. Peace out.